A term is competent parties. Competent parties are persons or organizations legally qualified to manage their own affairs, including entering into contracts. So, a competent party is a person or an organization that is legally qualified to manage their own affairs, including entering into contracts. And what that means in real estate parlance is a minor is not competent. The minor needs to reach the age of majority in order to enter into a contract. Also, people that are an old heir, they might not be competent and they may not be permitted to enter into contracts, such as mentally ill individuals, elderly people that suffering from Alzheimer's. Those type of people are not competent parties under the law. They do not have the power to enter into contracts. Please visit realestatepracticetest.com for more terms with our flashcards from A to Z and our 50 plus math bonus questions and our real estate practice exams with 500 plus practice questions with detailed answer explanations with the wrong and right answers explained. We want to make that material second nature. Do everything we can to help you pass your exam. realestatepracticetest.com. I will see you next time. Good luck studying.